All right, you trader nerds, welcome into a Monday. The market does what the market is doing. It is up 1/3%, up about 16.75 points. We are at the upper range of the opening 15-minute range, and VIX is at the 12 handle, 1224. It's gone up a little bit from the last day. AD is at 3, y'all. It is nothing burger. We are seeing nothing. Look at I wish I knew what the average volume was, but just nothing here. And if you look at the big green monster, which we covered in depth on Friday, hey, it's a little inflection point here. We figured this would be inflection, but right now we are overbought for the fair value zone below it. Looking at this week, maybe a pullback into that 52.80 area. Who knows? We'll see. We could certainly stay up here for a while before we pull back, but this certainly looks bearish to me. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression looks like nothing of the sorts. Looks like we are just bullish, 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 bullish. The thing that you could look at is you could say that we have a down move sort of here in volume. We'll see. Let's start here. See the volume kind of going downward, right? As the market goes up. So that may be a little bit of exhaustion, which may get us a little bit of a pullback. So we'll see. But the good thing is, with our strategy, ladies and gentlemen, market direction is irrelevant. We don't give a rat's butt. So let's see how we're doing today. So let's go to our little spreadsheet. And this is in the small account that is not small anymore because we put money in it. 5/20/24. And someone told me that I did 23 on this one the other day. Thank y'all. 2024, 2024. And our net lick is, I should have had it pulled up. All right, so we are at 80,351.58. 8351.58. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are up only $72,000, $73,000 on the year. We're up 348%. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. So we got to figure out what our money is here. Right? So we added, let me see if I can get the number here. We added 72,869.14. That's what we added to it. So 72,869. So still fire up the band. Moving on up, baby. Look at this. Yes. Hallelujah. So we still made $95 since the week ago. Now, I will not be trading this money, the extra money in here, until June, which is only, 11, 12 days away where we'll be in June. So we're not going to trade. We're not going to go position sizing and go, whoa, position sizing says we can do 6 of these tranches a week now. No, we're going to keep doing the 1. Why? Because of my bookkeeping in this fund, okay? It'll be because of my bookkeeping. Oh, crap, what was this? This was 129 days. So let's look at our Greeks and ratios, see how we are doing. We are at 12 and 10. Look at this, y'all. We talk about a lot of times our delta and our theta are about the same. So when you have a delta of 12, that means that it's the equivalent of you owning 12 SPY shares, 12 shares of SPY in this account and making $10 a day in theta decay, 12 and 10. So let's put those in. Let's go over here. 12 and 10, just like last time. Look at us. Making money and theta decay. And we said the VIX now is in the 12 handle. And our buying power is $2,087. Wow. Waka, $2,087. So we're using 2.6% of our buying power. Now, we were using 24%, but, we got more money in here now. So the thing is, I'm going to keep trading just like I was trading. We've got on a few trades, nothing that says that I should close. So what we're going to do is just do a 1-1-2. Y'all know the story. Y'all know how we do here. So we're going to go to 120 days. So we'll go like, say 125 days. Let's see if we can find something that we can play here. And we want something that's a 10% probability of being in the money. And I listened to these people on Theta Gang. I read too much Theta Gang stuff over the weekend. And they're like, oh my God, there's no premium out there. And I'm like, we get the same premium every day. Now, sometimes we're closer to the money, but we get around the same premium every time. What y'all griping about, little Theta Gangers? If you're a Theta Ganger, I made a comment that I think that most Theta Gangers are clueless. Yeah, I said that. And most of the stuff I read is y'all don't know what's going on. So join us here at Trader. There we go, baby. While I was talking, it filled. So we got filled at, what was it, 126 days? Let's see. Activity. We got 126 days, 123 days. We got the 4850s. 4850s for 31. 4850 for $31. Wow, that's close, y'all. Look, now see what you're saying. 40, we were at 4,700 the other day. Now you're telling me my naked put is at 4,850? Waka wah, waka wah. All right, so here we go. Let's put them in. MES. We'll go to one, baby one, and we'll go NP8 and puts naked 123 and 5/20/24. Right? Everything looks good there. So now we got to go to this little put debit spread. Ain't no thing. Go over here, go trade, and you go, okay, let me go back to that 123 little thing, or 122. Is it 122 or 123, y'all?
It's 123. It's just the AM.
Oh, it is? Okay. So I'm in this one though. Isn't that where I just sold? I sold the 4850. Yeah. So let's go, let's sell this one. It's gonna be a little higher, probably a little more than $10. I said, my gosh, I said it. Hold on, let me clear it off. Damn it. That. How you doing, Hal? 1050.
I'm doing fine.
Good. Yeah, I had an epiphany over the weekend, and I asked y'all, I did a poll, how much should I be trading gold and oil? And most people said, yes, I should. And then I'm like, somebody came in there, I think Raging Bull, he said, Bob, what are you doing? You are killing it, son. Why would you even want to add something? And I go, you know what, Raging Bull? You're dadgum right. I'm Bobby Gaines. I'm sweet Bobby, by gosh. I ain't adding jack squat. So anyway, that was short-lived. So we did the 5,200, 5150. 5,200, 5150, and we'll call this PDS8, and puts and debit spread in 123 and 5/20/24. And what do we fill that for? Let's see. Activity 1050, 1050, 1050. Y'all watch the Preakness? Why ain't that thing? Oh, here we go. Y'all watch the Belmont or the Preakness or whatever it was? I was watching. I was like, my God, will they not run this darn race? I kept watching these other races they run. I'm like, geez, Louise. Then I turned it on Shark Tank. So look at there, y'all. We're bringing in about $100 premium on the day. So let's go put those in their groups, NP8 and PDS8. See. NP8, PDS8. Shut up, dog. For the love of the Lord, shut up. Y'all's the dog on NP8. And let's see how everything's doing here. We got naked put one is at 73% profit. Look at that. Isn't that great? We got naked put 3 is at 78%. We got naked put 4 at 75%. Naked put 2 at 67%. Naked put 5, 62%. See, the cool thing is, if the market goes against you, you can start closing these things. So let's look at our little, what we call, little thing here and just stare at it a minute. Oh my God. She looks so good, don't she? Look at this, y'all. I mean, we got a little, I don't know what this is, a salamander or something. Doesn't even look like a whale. Looks like more like a squirrel. So we got the little squirrel down here. Let's see if we draw the squirrel. Little squirrel, a little amigo, and he's got his little bushy tail, and he's ready to go, and he's got his little legs, and so he's ready to trounce and trounce. And then, here's the blood. Lord, where the blood flows. And y'all, were it not for this, we could not do this. You need to appreciate the risk that we're taking in doing these trades. Never think you've got it figured out, because there is enormous risk in taking these trades, but we figured out the risk and we've got it mitigated. All right, any questions for anybody? Anybody good? Everybody good? Let's see what y'all chatting about. Yeah, that's amazing. Hey, Bobby, please keep small account for the less privileged of us. Yeah. That's what I need to do. I don't know, man. I think we got small accounts, don't we? This $7,000 account's just doing good, doing really great. All right, guys, y'all have a good rest of your day. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Bye bye, man.